Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The arithmetic mean of 90 numbers is 42. If two numbers, namely 38 and 95, are removed, what is the arithmetic mean of remaining numbers? So, total number of data samples equal to 90 for first case, and mean equal to 42. So let us assume sum of 90 data samples is equal to x. So we get 42 equal to x divided by 90. How did we get this? Since we know mean equal to sum divided by number of samples. Sum of samples. So we get sum of 90 samples equal to x equal to 42 into 90. So x we get as 9 2s are 18, 9 4s are 36 plus 1 is 37, 3780. Now we are asked what is arithmetic mean of remaining numbers when two numbers are removed. So sum of 88 samples will be equal to sum of 90 samples minus sum of removed samples, which is equal to, let's see, we calculated sum of 90 samples as 3780, and sum of removed samples would be, we are given removed samples are 38 and 95. So that is equal to minus 38 plus 95. So this will be equal to 3780 minus 8 plus 5 is 13 and 9 plus 3 is 12 plus 1 13. So 133. So that is equal to 10 minus 3 7, 8 minus 4 4, 7 minus 1 6 and 3. So this is sum of 88 samples. Now mean of remaining samples is equal to sum of remaining samples divided by number of remaining samples, which is equal to 3647 divided by 88. So all we have to do is perform this division. So let's calculate few multiples of 88. 88 into 4 is 8 4s are 32. 8 4s are 32 plus 3 is 35. And 88 into 5 is 5 8s are 40. 5 8s are 40 plus 4 is 44. And 88 into 3, 8 3s are 24. 8 3s are 24 plus 2 is 26. With these multiples, we'll start the division. If required, we'll calculate more. So 3647 is divided by 88, and we can use 88 fours are 352. So that is 4 minus 2 2, 6 minus 5 1, and 7 will come down here. Now 88 twos are, we have 176, so we'll have to use 88 ones are minus 88. So 7 minus 8, 17 minus 8 is 9, and 12 minus 9 is 3. So 390, we'll take decimal point here. 390 is less than 88 fives are, so we'll again use 88 fours are. 352, so that is equal to 10 minus 2 8, and 9 minus 6 3, and again we'll take 0, and again it will be 4. So let's stop at 2 digits after decimal point. We get 41.44. So the required mean is 41.44. Let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A, 41.4.